first fridge of the day. Okay, see, I don't appreciate this at all. The reason I don't appreciate this is because you took the picture further back than you needed to. You're trying to flex your, like, fancy marble tile in your house. We get it, buddy. You're a multimillionaire. You don't have to show it to us by flexing your marble tile floor. But all right, hold up. Let's take a look in the fridge real quick. I see some tea, I see some Minute Maid Punch, and some milk that looked like it expired 2 months ago. You could throw this at somebody and they would probably die. They would catch some unknown disease that's never been named before if you threw that at somebody.